When I entered 10th standard, it was like all you're in 10th standard and you got to study and all these things. It's a really big tag to bear, really. And UT helped me to remove that tag.
We were in search of a good tutorial, a class which could provide him all the help which he needs, because I am working, I am a teacher, so I could not I was not able to pay attention to his studies, and that's why we chose UT, because everyone told us about the universal tutorial, and I am really overwhelmed, and I'm very happy that my son, because of the UT's guidance, he got CGPA of 10.
It has provided us a platform to enhance our basically enhance our thinking abilities.
I am Anvesa's father. Anvesa has been a ranker since her childhood days. By virtue of my posting throughout India and abroad, she got an opportunity to study in all parts of the India and different coaching schools, also in London for 3 years. But whatever I have seen during these formative years of Anvesa, UT has been the best. UT has been providing path-breaking knowledge information, followed by very, very specific, measurable and very good lectures, so that she can able to perform very well. And I can tell you, particularly regarding Mr. Anubhav Singhal, he has given an insight into the ways and means of study which could able to help her. I am extremely thankful to the UT faculty as well as the UT professors.
UT have excellent techniques and assessment strategies which help students to gain confidence and motivate them, which in turn help in gaining more score in boards.
The vacation programs, they completed the syllabus well in advance so that we can revise the syllabus over and over again, and it really helped me in planning my schedule. The teachers really advised us a good schedule to plan.
Hi, my name is Arpan Daswal and I am from APJ School, Nirul. My experience in Universal Tutorials was wonderful. The teachers made my topics very interesting, and the study material provided was comprehensive. The test series increased my speed.
In a way, UT helped not only have a firm grip on all my subjects, but it also boosted my moral confidence in writing the exams through its test series.
Hello, my name is Shivam Bansal and I am from Devi Public School, Nerul. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents. I joined UT's test series, which helped me to get familiar with the new pattern of CC.
Hello, I am Anupama. I am Shivam Bansal's mother. UT नया नहीं है हमारे लिए. हमारा पहला बड़ा बेटा भी UT से बहुत सक्सेसफुली 10th में पास हो चुका है. कहना चाहिए ना कि स्टेपिंग स्टोन पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स के अलावा UT के क्लासेस और UT के टीचर्स का उनका रहा गाइडेड करने के लिए पूरा.
UT has really helped me a lot by providing me a lot of study materials and test series.
Success of mankind depends on one's ability to collaborate and improvise. By collaboration I mean the cooperation of UT and my teachers and parents, and by improvise I mean my ability to make up solutions for difficulties on the spot.